Era Epoxy Academy, day 4. A little bit today. Yesterday we put primer coat. Today we did our metallic coat, showing the different approaches and designs and techniques it takes to achieve something like this, or even a little more simpler. That's day 4. And then after this, tomorrow we got blank canvases for the student, and we're gonna go ahead and replicate her metallic over there. And then tomorrow we'll be discussing top coats and wrap it up. That's our 5-day course at Era Epoxy Academy. Check back with us, log in, go subscribe to the YouTube.
Hey guys, don't forget to sign up at NewEraEpoxyAcademy.com. If y'all guys want to learn how to do these little tricks, all these secrets, we're not going to show y'all on the vlog. Y'all got to sign up to the class. People pay money to learn this, to learn how to get into the industry, so we just don't want to put it out. But this is what last class did. Derek showed them how to do the glitter, showed them how to get all these nice highlights in there. We have a class every month. It's a 5-day course. Next class is March 24th through the 28th. Y'all do it in the studio. Y'all remove the floors. Y'all put down some cool epoxy floors. Teaches you the process, how to sell a job, how marketing works. It's a full 5-day course. If you have a hard time finding the website, hit me up at 832-253-3211. It's super easy. You get on the website, you go to schedule, shows you where the week of that schedule is. Fill out the registration form, and when you send it, we'll get it on email and we'll give y'all a shout back. Anybody want to sign up? We have one every month. Feel free to reach out to us. Look us up all social media platforms at New Era Epoxy. We are replying to all the messages. We're trying to have these vlogs twice or 3 times a week. It depends what we got going on throughout the week, but make sure y'all follow, subscribe. We'll share all the way, guys. Appreciate y'all. Peace.
Mike with New Era Epoxy. Man, what can I tell you? We finally wrapped up this 19,000 square feet, if I'm not mistaken. And when I tell you the guys did a hell of a job, man, I mean, you should have seen this place before. There were some rooms that we went through years of layers of tile on top of tile, on top of carpet. So we had to get through that, get the demo down. We had all these walls up, so edge grinding, everything. For the most part, they wrapped everything up. Follow me, guys, and let's take a look at what they did. But you notice, I mean, every single thing, guys, when this is a 3-neat system that we did. Pretty much, I mentioned to you, first coat went down at 750 square feet, flat squeegee. Then we came back the second day. We did it at 400 square feet gallon, 3-kit gallon, of course, more importantly. And then our top coat was a high traffic urethane top coat, tinted as well, guys. So that's what you see right now. But yeah, man, the guys pretty much came in. They put that little elbow grease to it, got to it. Of course, you know, we definitely would have wanted this a wide open space, but you know, hey, when you got other trades going on at the same time, and especially in a big project like this, you have to make sure that we kind of, you know, work with everybody, work around with everybody. But I mean, I love it. Clients are happy. Yeah, guys, this is it. All right, guys, so that's it. Stay tuned. Again, this is another one wrapped up by the greatest New Era Epoxy Flooring LLC. So stay tuned, guys. You know, we'll have plenty of videos for you guys. Make sure you guys follow the channel, New Era Epoxy. Follow us on Instagram at New Era Epoxy to see all of our work, our content. And guys, if you ever need anything, need assistance, give us a call. You can reach Juan, 832-253-3211. You can reach me. I'm always here to help out, 832-592-3808. Name it. You need it. We got it for you. You got any questions, concerns, any troubleshooting while you guys are out there on the field, give us a call, guys. We're always here to help out. Stay tuned.
We just met Raul over here. With our grinders, man, they're all electric. So we use generators, or we plug in straight their breaker boxes. But in our case, we got one of our big generators here. That we ended up bringing in, hopefully to get that thing going and started. That's just some of the things that go down whenever you're running electric. The same thing with propane, you know, say the propane's got motors in there, and y'all know propane motors, gasoline, anything like that. They got to keep their maintenance up. So in this case, we're in what, beginning of February. We're busy, but not as busy as we usually are. You know, whenever you start finding times like these or where it slows down a little bit, very important that you keep all your stuff maintenance. I come from the oil field. A lot of my experience comes from the oil field, and what we do is, when I was working in the oil field, we would do a lot of preventative maintenance. What is preventative maintenance? Maintenance your equipment before it goes down. So all of our vehicles get oil changes, tire rotations. Right now, Raul and the guys have been spending a couple days tightening bolts on all of our equipment, grinders, vacuums, generators, switching out cords, just tighten up the little things. So we can't drop off our generator. We're gonna get an oil change. One of the spark plugs was loose, it was leaking a little bit. Guys in the industry understand that your generator leaks on the floor that you're doing, or polished concrete, or anything, you can have a bad reaction or you're gonna be able to see that. So very important, guys. Y'all got equipment sent around. Keep up with your vehicles. Once it goes bad, or once it goes south, or once you blow an engine, aren't taking care of your filters, it is definitely gonna get expensive. So take the opportunity, take the time when things slow down, save a little money, start thinking about things like this, because it will get expensive in the long haul. So I'm very big on keeping shit lubed.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know, before it breaks. So keep that in mind, guys. You don't want to get stressed out. Keep up with your stuff, and a little advice from New Era to y'all guys. Peace.
Hi, good morning. I'm Amy Barone and training. Sorry. Hi, good morning. I'm Amy Barone, and I just completed the 1-week New Era Epoxy floor training in Houston, Texas. I thought it was an amazing class, honestly. It's something I have never done in my life. I learned a ton throughout the 5 days. I think 5 days is absolutely perfect. The first day was basically giving us all the information we need to know in a classroom setting, and then each subsequent day we did one stage of the epoxy floor. I learned a ton. I feel very confident in my ability to go in and help somebody do a floor, and I'm really happy with the training that I received. It was completely hands-on training every single day, learning how to do every step of the process, and I'm very confident in my ability to move forward from here. It was a great return on investment. I highly recommend this for anybody that's starting out, or even if you've already started but you know you want to hone in on your skills. The instructor very knowledgeable in every aspect of this epoxy floor process. So, like I said, I would highly recommend anyone come here, 10 out of 10. And now I'm going to take what I've learned and bring back to New Braunfels, Texas, where my friend Misty is starting her business called Get Floored Epoxy. I can't wait to get started with her. I'm excited for the new opportunities.